it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, April and I will be showing you how to create a trendy encapsulated glitter nail set. This look gives me major 90s vibes and I'm so here for it. So let's get started. To begin, you'll want to use a nail file to make your natural nails matte. Once that's done, attach a clear nail tip by using nail glue. April didn't use glue here today because she's working on one of her silicone practice hands. We'll have them linked for you guys in the description below. Next, you'll want to shape the nails. We're going with a ballerina shape, so we use nail cutters to clip off the tip and to angle the sides. This will speed up the shaping process because you're getting the bulk of it off with just a few snips, opposed to manually filing it all. Then you can easily go ahead and perfect the shape of the nail by using a file. Once you're happy with the shape, be sure to smooth out the transition between the fake nail tip and your natural nail. Dust off any debris and then apply a nail primer to the natural nail. Now it's time to use the clear builder gel. You'll only want to brush on a thin layer of this to start because we're going to be attaching the big glitter pieces to this layer. So don't cure this layer, just skip ahead to the fun part. We're going to choose the glitter decor that we want to use. We want these cute little iridescent butterflies that remind me of little butterfly hair clips that I would wear back in the 90s. And if we're going to go with butterflies, we might as well throw in some little iridescent hearts too. Then we also added in these tiny little stars, which we thought would be perfect to complement the other glitter shapes we used. Finally, you can fill in any sparse areas with some matching iridescent glitter. Now you can go ahead and cure the nails for 1 minute under a UV lamp. After that's done, seal everything in and build up the thickness of the nail with a nice thick layer of the clear builder gel. Once that's done, cure this layer for 2 minutes under the lamp. Wipe off the tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol, and then file your nails to perfection. Once you're happy with them, you can wipe off the dust and apply a shiny gel top coat. Cure your nails one last time under the lamp and you are finished. So cool, you guys! We hope you love this nail set as much as we do. If you'd like to watch more Cute Polish videos, click these boxes right here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. And go check out April's personal nail channel by clicking this circle right here.